Hello friends, in this video we will make a IR proximity sensor, or you can say IR sensor, or you can say object detection sensor. It can be used as a touchless doorbell also. We will make it step by step. So let's begin. For this project we need one breadboard, one pair of IR transmitter and receiver, LM358 IC, a 20K potentiometer, or you can use 10K potentiometer, or trim pot, this one trim pot, and one 10K resistor, and one 220 ohm resistor or 320 ohm resistor you can use, and a buzzer, 9 volt or 12 volt buzzer, and one 9 volt battery, and some connecting wires. So if you are new to DPP technology, then please subscribe to our channel and like and share our videos. So here is our circuit diagram. This one is 9 volt battery, then this one IR transmitter, receiver, 10K resistor, 220 ohm resistor, then this one is LM358 IC, and this one 20K potentiometer, or this one the buzzer. So let's get started. So first we'll place this IC on the breadboard. So you see this is the cut mark, so we'll place it towards the left side. Here is the cut mark. Then you can see the 4 is connected to ground and 8 is connected to 9 volt, that is VCC. So we'll connect it. So this one is 8, pin number 8, this one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, like that. This one 8. So I will connect it from this point to this point, this line. So we will use this row as a VCC and this row as a ground. So for that, first of all we have to place this wire here, like that, this point to this point, because in a breadboard there is no connection in between this row and this row. That's why we have to place this wire. If you don't know how to use a breadboard, you can watch our videos. Now in this row also we have to do the same thing. We have to connect this like that. Now this 4 was in ground, so we have to connect it to ground. So we can put this wire in any one of these hole. So I will put this here and here. So this is grounded now. Now we are going to place this IR transmitter. So you can see this is the length of this terminal is more and the length of this terminal is less. So this terminal is positive and this terminal is negative. I will place it here. Now I will place the receiver. This black one is receiver. Here is same. This one, the length is more, so this is positive. So I will place it here. Now I will place the 20K trim pot. You can use 10K trim pot also I will place it. So here is 3 terminal is there. So place these 2 terminal in that side. Place it properly, otherwise it will not work. It is little difficult to place on breadboard. Now it is okay. Now we will see the diagram. Here you see the positive terminal of the transmitter is connected to directly 9 volt. So we will place it directly to 9 volt by connecting wire. So we connect it to VCC. It is connected. Now we will see the negative terminal of this transmitter is connected to a 220 ohm resistor, and the other terminal of the resistor is connected to ground. That means negative terminal of the battery. So we will connect it now. So this one is my 220 ohm resistor. You can use 330 ohm resistor also, or you can use less than 1k resistor, but if you use 1k resistor, then sometimes it will not work because the LED will not get more current. This one is directly connected to ground. We will use this as a ground point, that's why we'll connect it directly here. Then we will see that this IR receiver, the positive terminal is directly connected to 9 volt battery, and negative terminal is connected to a 10k resistor, and also to pin number 3, and negative terminal of this resistor is connected to ground. We will connect it. So this one is positive terminal. Positive terminal is connected to here. You can connect to any point this wire, and positive terminal is here, any one of this point of this column, and negative terminal is connected to a 10k potentiometer, 10k resistor. So we will connect it to 10k resistor here. Then again this point is connected, this terminal is connected to pin number 3 of the IC. So we will connect it to pin number 3, this one. So we will put it here, and this one is pin number 3, 1 2 3. Then we will see that this one is the port, 20k port. So here one terminal is connected to VCC ground, this one is VCC, and another terminal is connected to ground, and the variable terminal is connected to pin number 2 of the IC. So we will connect it. So this terminal we will connect it to VCC. This is connected. Now the another terminal, this one is connected to ground. So you can see this one, we will connect it to ground here. Okay, now the variable terminal is connected to pin number 2 of that IC. So we will connect it here. This one is connected to pin number 2. Here is the pin number 2 of this IC. Now it is connected. Now you see the pin number 1 of the IC is connected to positive terminal of the buzzer, and the negative terminal of the buzzer is connected to ground. Here is the buzzer. The terminal of more length is positive and terminal of less length is negative. We will place it like this. This one is positive terminal, And now this one, pin number 1 of the IC, we will put it here in pin number 1, same row. Then it is connected to pin number positive terminal of the buzzer. Here you can see, here is, and the negative terminal of the buzzer, same row here. This is same column, sorry. So this is connected to negative terminal of the buzzer. Now our circuit is ready. Now we have to connect this battery. So for that you need a battery clipper also. This one is called battery clip. So now for this breadboard I am using this small wire to put in the breadboard. I have to connect it. So this one is ground or negative terminal, we can say. This line is anywhere you can put any in this row, and this one is positive, that means VCC. Now we have to first adjust this potentiometer. We can see if we keep this potentiometer here, the buzzer is anytime on, but we have to place it slightly here. Now the position of this LED is very important. If we keep my hand here, you can observe that the buzzer is not on in this time. So what we have to do, we have to adjust the position of these LEDs. So slightly you bend it and you check, yes, it is working, you see. So the position of these LEDs are very important. You have to slightly bend these LEDs. Now it is working properly, and you keep these LEDs as close as possible as shown in this video here. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe us and like and share our videos.